Dear children, today we are going to solve the sixth problem in exercise 8.1. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Here the condition given is cos A is equal to cos B and A and B are acute angles. So now we are going to consider one triangle ABC. Let ABC be any triangle where A and B are acute angles. So now, since we have to find angle A and angle B and the condition cos A and cos B is given, you know very well cos and sine, if you want to find, we should have a right angle triangle. So now we are drawing a perpendicular from C to AB. CM is perpendicular to AB. So now what happens here? AMC and BMC will be a right angle triangle. So here 90 degrees, so this becomes hypotenuse and here this becomes hypotenuse. And since we want A, for this A, this will be the adjacent side, this will be the opposite side. For B, this will be adjacent side, this will be the opposite side. So now AMC is equal to BMC is equal to 90 degree. In right angle triangle AMC, first you are taking this. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AM by AC. Take this as first equation. Then cos B is equal to, here this is the adjacent side BM. BM by BC. So we are taking this as second equation. Now from 1 and 2, since condition is given as cos A is equal to cos B, cos A is equal to cos B, so AM by AC will be equal to BM by BC. So now I can bring, this is equal to this. So I can just write AM by BM is equal to AC by BC. That means here AM by BM is equal to AC by BC. That means the sides are in proportion. So now automatically if this by this is equal to this by this, then CM by CM will be equal. So all the three sides are equal. So these three sides are equal means these two triangles are similar to each other. So what is the difference between similar and congruence? For congruence, shape and size should be the same. For similar, the shape can be the same, size need not be the same. That is called similar. So now we are going to say these two triangles are similar to each other. If these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity, because this and this sides are in proportion, this and this are in proportion, this AM by BM is equal to AC by BC is equal to CM by CM. So since all the sides are in proportion, by SSS similarity, these two triangles are similar. So automatically the corresponding angles also will be equal. That means angle A is equal to angle B. This is what we are going to do it. AM by BM is equal to AC by BC is equal to CM by CM. I told you they are proportion to each other. So these two triangles are similar. This is the symbol for similar. For congruence, we draw two lines and over that you write this. For similar, this is the symbol. By SSS similarity, because all the sides are in proportion. So, as we say by CPCT, all the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. Same way, since they are similar, corresponding angles of the two similar triangles are also equal. So, angle A is equal to angle B, hence proved. The next question is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The second one is cot square theta. Here, since we have to find sin theta, cos theta and all, we have to draw a right angle triangle. We have to find the trigonometric ratios. Then we have to substitute. So now we are going to draw a right angle triangle ABC. Here it is given cot theta. Theta means measure of an angle. So any one angle we can take it as theta. Angle B is 90 degrees. So I should not take B. Other two acute angles, any one angle I can take it as theta. Either this or this. So I have taken C as theta. So now ACB is equal to theta. Here cot theta is given as 7 by 8. What is cot theta? Adjacent side by opposite. So for this, what will be adjacent side? 7. Here it is 7 is the adjacent side. This is the adjacent side. So 7 and this is the opposite side 8. According to this, what is given, I have written this adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is opposite side. So now we don't know hypotenuse. We have to find hypotenuse because if you know the only then we can find what is sin theta and cos theta. So now BC by AB is 7 by 8. So now in right angle triangle ABC, we have to find what is hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to 8 square plus 7 square. AC square is equal to 64 plus 49. AC square is equal to 113. AC is equal to plus or minus 113. So when it is plus or minus 113, we have to write only the positive value because the length cannot be negative. Now sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse 8 by root of 113. Cos theta is equal to BC by AC, adjacent side by hypotenuse 7 by root 113. So we are just substituting the values here. Now substitute all these values in the question what is asked. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So the value is 1 plus 8 by root 113 into 1 minus 8 by root 113 by 1 plus 7 by root 113 into 1 minus 7 by root 113. Now this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So this is also a plus b into a minus b. That is nothing but a square minus b square. So a square is 1 square and b square is 8 by root 113 the whole square. 1 square minus 8 by root 113 the whole square by, here this is a and this is b. So 1 square minus 7 by root 113 the whole square. That is equal to 1 square is 1, 8 square is 64, root 113 square is root 113 into root 113, that is 113. Same way here it is 1 minus 49 by 113. Now you are going to take the LCM. When I take LCM, I get 113 minus 64 by 113 by 113 minus 49 by 113. Now here I get 49 by 113. This becomes reciprocal. So I have written 113 by 64. That is equal to 49 by 64. That is the answer for the first one. The second one is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. We are asked to find cot square theta. What is cot square theta? Cot theta, the whole square is cot square theta. Cot theta, you know, 7 by 8 whole square. That is 49 by 64. Thank you.